Constitutional Review Committee's land expropriation report will be held in the National Assembly today. The report recommended that Section 25 of the Constitution be amended to allow for land expropriation without compensation. Bulelani Phillip has more on this.
The amendment of the Constitution is an emotive issue. It was given the green light in order to give effect to land expropriation without compensation. The motion was first tabled in February, and 10 months on, it's closer to finalization. But this was not without a failed legal challenge aiming to suspend the adoption of the committee report.
The relief sought by the applicant under Part A, save for that of cost, is dismissed. 2. The issue of cost stands over to be determined in the proceedings under Part B.
The adoption of the report has also split political parties down the middle. The ANC, EFF, UDM, IFP and the National Freedom Party were in support of the report, while the DA, FF+, COPE and the ACDP were opposed to the report. Opposition parties have also indicated that they will challenge the process at the appropriate time, while AfriForum may have lost its urgent application to halt the National Assembly debate to be held on Tuesday. The lobby group says it still intends to make a substantive application in court and have the committee's report set aside. Bulelani Phillip, SABC News, Cape Town.